Have you ever wished you could buy one tote bag that matched more than one outfit? Well, that's exactly why I designed this one. This isn't just another tote bag. It's one bag, two completely different looks. This reversible tote is made with authentic bandana fabric on both sides, so it's like carrying two bags in one. Hello friends, this is Beatrice from Eden Unique Creations. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. Thank you. Today I'm excited to show you my newest reversible bandana tote. One side features this beautiful pink bandana print. And when you're ready for a different look, simply turn it inside out and you have this vibrant red bandana design. I decided to use my heat press to iron out all the wrinkles in the bandanas. I also used it to fuse the interfacing to the bandanas. It did speed up the process of ironing. Here I am preparing the fabric to be quilted. I'm using temporary adhesive spray to keep the foam attached to the bandana fabric. I use the sew-in foam. With my reversible tote bags, I only quilt one side of the tote bag. I will be speeding through some of these clips because I have a special reveal towards the end of the video. I've always loved the classic look of bandanas. They're timeless, they're fun, and they never really go out of style. But I kept thinking, why should we have to choose just one color? That's when I started experimenting with reversible designs. After a lot of trial and error, I finally created a tote that looks finished and professional no matter which side you use. I wanted both sides to feel like the right side of the bag, not like one side was in the inside. Here I am attaching zipper pockets to each side of the tote. So the red side will have one pocket and the pink side will have one pocket. That way, whatever side you turn in, well, you'll have a pocket in the inside and you'll have a pocket on the outside. Here I am towards the end of the project. I'm doing the top stitching. This is my favorite part of bag making, is putting rivets. To me, it's like bag jewelry. Let's talk about the features of this reversible tote. The exterior features. On this side, you'll find an exterior zipper pocket. I always like having a place where I can quickly reach for my phone, my keys, or anything I use throughout the day. It's one of those little details that makes using the bag so much easier. Inside features. Now let's look inside. Because this bag is completely reversible, the inside becomes the outside. That means every detail has to look clean and professional from both directions. I've always added 2 interior zipper pockets. One snap hook is perfect for your keys, so you're not digging through your bag trying to find them. The second snap hook can hold your favorite bag charm, a wristlet, hand sanitizer, or anything else you like to keep close. I also added a magnetic closure to help keep everything secure while still making it easy to open. This is my second review of the One Bag, Two Looks. Today I'm sharing another version of my reversible tote, but this one has a completely different personality. This design is a little different from my red and pink version. Those bags use traditional bandana prints. This collection was actually created using bandanas themselves to build the design. So while it doesn't have the classic paisley pattern, every panel was still handcrafted using bandanas. One side features this patriotic American flag design. It's bold, fun, and perfect for summer, holidays, festivals, or any time you want to show your patriotic spirit. But maybe today you're looking for something completely different. Now you have a camouflage tote. Same bag, same features, completely different look. I've always enjoyed creating things that serve more than one purpose. Instead of carrying two different bags, why not simply turn one inside out? It's practical, it's fun, and it gives you two styles without taking up extra space in your closet. One thing that people don't always see is how much time goes into designing something like this. Getting a reversible bag to look good on both sides takes a lot of testing. I went through several prototypes, adjusted measurements, changed seam placements, and even wasted fabric while figuring out what worked best. But every version taught me something new. Those little improvements are what finally led to the design you're seeing today. Every tote you see here is handmade by me. From cutting each piece, to sewing every seam, to installing every zipper, each bag takes time and attention to detail. As I'm building my small handmade business, every project teaches me something new, and I'm grateful that you've chosen to be part of this journey. Just like my other reversible totes, this one includes an exterior zipper pocket for quick access. Inside, you'll also find zipper pockets to help organize your essentials. I've added 2 snap hooks. One keeps your keys, where you can always find them. The other is perfect for your favorite charm or small accessories. I created this version in honor of 4th of July. I'd like to take this time to thank every person who has served or is serving for our country. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, for it'll help my channel grow. Thank you. If you're enjoying this series of reversible tote bags, don't forget to subscribe because I have even more colors and designs coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, one bag, two looks, endless possibilities.